Hello everyone, I'm back today with video number 2 on prepositions, and today I will be dealing with the preposition to. Well, the infinitive to is a very common preposition, and today I have come up with a few words which take the preposition to with it. Let us discuss these words, and by the end of this video I will be giving you 2 important tips. So stay till the end. So here are the prepositions, here are the sentences which take the preposition to. False to. Do not be false to your friends. That means you should be true to your friends. अपने friends के साथ धोखा नहीं करना चाहिए. Similarly, true to. Always be true to your friends. It takes the preposition to. Next word is err. E-R-R. Err means error, mistake, galti karna. And it is a very common proverb. To err is human, to forgive divine. What does it mean? To err is human. It is what natural for a man, human being, to do mistakes. And it is equally natural for divine God to forgive us. Another important thing, due to. Again, with due we use the preposition to. But one thing which we have to keep in mind is that due to is always used with a noun, not with a verb. This phrase is used. His success was due to his hard work. We cannot say that he succeeded due to his hard work, not with a verb. Then it will come, so he succeeded because he worked hard. So this due to is always used with a noun. Remember that. Injurious to. Drinking alcohol is injurious to health. Sorry, the preposition to. Listen to. Always listen to your parents. Partial to. We should not be partial to anyone. Most of the times students use the preposition with here. The correct preposition used is to. Belongs to. This plot belongs to me. Mera hai, it is mine. Aspire to. Always aspire to become a good man. Always try to become a good man. Subscribe to. As I always say, if you like my teaching, please subscribe to my channel. Do it also. Sacred to. Something very religious. This custom is sacred to the Indians. That means this custom is very much religious for the Indians. Sensitive to. Newborn babies are sensitive to touch. Sentenced to. The thief was sentenced to 3 years imprisonment. He was given the punishment for 3 years to be into the prison. Obedient to. Be obedient to your teachers. Obliged to. Obliged, thankful, grateful. I am obliged to you for your objects to. My mother objects to my going out late. Opposite to. Your viewpoint is totally opposite to, I wrote the wrong way, opposite to mine. That means we differ in opinion. Troublesome to. Do not be troublesome to your parents. That is, don't give any trouble to your parents. Then the prepositional phrases, according to. According to the Upanishads, the month of July is very sacred. In order to. I hosted this party in order to please my friend. So these are prepositional phrases. So remember, these words take the preposition to. Now important tips which I told you that I will be discussing with you by the end of this video. Now I have put some words over here. If you go through all these words, they end with the alphabet R. Refer, prefer, prior, peculiar, junior, senior, inferior, superior, similar, familiar. All these words end with the alphabet R. So remember, all these words which end with the word R, they all take the preposition to with it. If you have not understood, refer to your book. I prefer cycling to swimming. Very important. Most of the times students write than, T-H-A-N. That is absolutely wrong. I prefer tea to coffee. Prior, pehle aana. Prior to this, you should always consult. Peculiar, strange. This custom is very much peculiar to India. Strange, unusual. Junior, that fellow is junior to me, not than me. Senior, he is senior to me. Inferior, your pen is inferior to me. Again to, not than. Superior, your dress is superior to mine. Similar, your viewpoint is almost similar to mine. Familiar, this face is familiar to me. When we are talking about a person, to. Although we sometimes use familiar with also, that this place is familiar with me. But to is used with reference to a person. So all these words which end with R, they all take the preposition to. Then next, tip number 2. Engaged and married. Whenever we are dealing with a sentence which deals with marriage or engagement in the sense of marriage, we always use the other word also, that I have an engagement at 5. That means I am busy at 5. Not in that sense, but the engagement in the sense of marriage. My brother is engaged to a singer, not engaged with a singer. My sister is married to a cricketer, not with the cricketer. So remember, these words also take the preposition to with it. I hope you have understood this concept of prepositions. I am dealing one preposition in every video so that you tend to recall these words and try to put them in your mind while dealing with the question of prepositions. So I will be coming again with the next video next time. Till then, go through with this. Bye-bye.